Hi, I am Katagi. I am working as a secondary grade teacher in Panchayat Union Middle School, Kalyanapuram, at Thiruvarangulam block from Pudukkode district. Pudukkode is known as is the one of the 38 districts of Tamil Nadu in southern India. Here are some historical places like Thirumayam Fort, Avdayar Koil Temple, Kudimiyanmalai Temple, Sittanavasal Arts and Museum. My school is located in very rural area and very poverty area. My students are not able to understand the vocabulary skills, grammar skills and speaking skills. My students are insecure in speaking in English. Most of problems were fear of making mistakes, feeling shy, feeling hesitated, and lack of confidence while speaking in English. In EJII trainer of Mr. Maheshar trained and guided me that I had lot of ideas through EJII program and I implemented that ideas to my classroom very effectively. I understand that the innovative Pathasala training how to implement the zero investment ideas in training methodology, teaching methodology to improve the better ideas to improve the learning outcomes to the students through the EJII program. In my classroom, my students, I implemented that the zero investment ideas, I implemented the seating arrangements ideas. I was able to teach my students for opposite boards, teaching by sitting in opposite directions to increase the vocabulary level skills. My students also learn to new words to increase the vocabulary skills through rapid learning idea. The poems are trained to the students by implementing the familiar Tamil cinema songs lyrics. In this method, my students eagerly and enjoyable learning in my classroom. This method was very effective in my classroom and also for vocabulary development to my students by showing a lot of flashcards and practiced synonyms, antonyms, singular, plural, accent words, degrees of comparison, and role model method are practiced through the matching boards, finding Tamil meanings by using their packet size dictionaries to help of self-learning and also the vocabulary development. I implemented the miming method in my classroom to understand. And recalling the words in their memories. I implemented the playway method in my classroom to easily understand my students by increasing the vocabulary skills and speaking skills. I implemented the grid game method to my students to identify the correct answer of the questions. What they understood, they learned through ZIIEI trainings. ZIIEI is one of the first and largest ever initiatives of India that will annually facilitate wide-scale systematic implementation of grassroots innovations in education that can improve existing systems and processes at zero and minimal cost. I implemented these ideas to my students in my classroom. They have a lot of vocabulary skills and speaking skills. Really, we are proud through the ZIIEI program. My school is a role model school of my district because I have to give more practices to the students by implementing the ZIIEI ideas. In these ideas, my students have familiar for vocabulary skills and speaking skills without any fear. Thank you for Sri Aurobindo Society and HDFC Bank for providing me this opportunity to participate this program. And friends, if you find this useful video, don't forget like, share and subscribe. Thank you.